Pufferfish.
The pufferfish has various appearances but is generally short and bulging. The surface is very smooth and has thorny scales. Pufferfish's teeth are long and sharp like a parrot. The muscles of the jaw are also developed eating shrimp, crabs, starfish and small fish. It also sprays water from its mouth to eat shellfish in the sand beneath the sea. When an enemy approaches, it threatens to inflate the body in a moment or sharpen its teeth. Pufferfish is a poisonous ingredient called tetrodotoxin contained in the skin, meat, and intestines, and it causes fatal injury to predators.